How to fix "this person is unavailable on Messenger" error. So if you want to fix "this person is unavailable on Messenger" error, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Messenger application. And once you open up your Messenger, if you go with a person, for example, if you go with an account and here on the bottom, if it says "this person isn't available," then it means that the other person might have deactivated their Facebook or their Messenger account, or the other reason is they might have blocked you. But if it's not the case, like if they have not deactivated their account and if they've not blocked you, then what you can do is you just need to simply press and hold on to that person and tap on restrict and tap on restrict again. Once you've restricted, go with the upper left, which has that 3 bar, and tap on settings, which is on the upper right. Scroll down, go with privacy and safety, and tap on restricted accounts, and tap on the account. Now tap on unrestrict, which is on the bottom, and now your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix "this person isn't available." And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.